Hey guys, welcome back, and for this video I'm going to show you how to use Webbook to auto post memes on Discord. So first, what you want to do is create a channel for memes first. So let's say I'm going to create a channel here and this memes just like so. Then create channel, and of course once you're there, just need to click on the button right here and go to server settings, go to integrations under the app section, go on to webhooks and create a webbook. So new webbook right here. Click on that so you can name it and stuff. Let's say, and click the channel, put it onto the memes that you just created. Click on save changes, and just copy the webbook URL. Once you're done with that, so open up your browser and just go to the ifttt.com right here. So it's right here. So once you're here, just need to click on start, and you need to log in first. And once you're that, it will show here the IPTT Pro, but there is a free access right here. You just need to go on to continue, and just need to click on try it for free if you don't want to pay for it. And but of course you just need to put your card number first. So basically, once you're here, you just need to click on the create right here. Then click on add. Let's search for Reddit right here, and choose trigger. Then click on the and then you post it subreddit. This trigger fires every time there's a new post in the subreddit you specify. So there, and click on the subreddit that you want. So now you just need to type on meme or something, create trigger. Once you're done with that, next is the if. So this the if, and after that was this. So click on add. So let's just find another one again. Next is search for webhooks right here. Just like so, and click on. So click on this one. So click on connect. Wait for it to load. Then once you're here, just need to post the web request right here. So open up your Discord, find the webbook that you created earlier. So copy the web URL, go back, paste it right here. And for this, the methods, compose, content type, application, JSON. This one headers if you want, but for the body, I will paste it in the description what you will add. So paste it here on the body. I'm going to put it down in the description, then create action. Once you're done with that, just need to click on continue. So for this to work, you need to have the pro version. So basically, you will need to put on your card number so you could have the free 7 days trial. So I suggest if you want to use the trial, you can put your card number and just unsubscribe after you change your mind and not use it, so that you could try it for free. And once you're done with that, just need to finish it up and go and continue, and that's it, guys. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. Till the next one.